Hi everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
We are in IKEA because we are shopping for our new house.
Yes.
And the house is almost ready.
Almost done.
90% done. You guys will see today. Today we're just buying like the final things that we need. Mostly हमने क्या बोलते हैं like बनवाया है
पूरा
सब कुछ.
custom made.
But there are certain things that we need to buy. So that's what we're doing today. Let us actually show you who have joined us today.
And joining us today is my mom, my dad, and of course we have the great Kashu with us.
Woo! Always with us. She's moved.
Yes.
मेरे घर पे.
Adopted.
We found this really cool dining table जो बड़ा भी हो सकता है, छोटा भी हो सकता है. Very very cool. ये बंद कर दिया तो छोटा हो जाता है, which is I think great for the space that we have. कैरमेल के भाई बहन spotted.
Which one should I take?
I think you should get the sloth. Sloth है कि bear है? Bear है I think. ले ले कशिश. मेरा वैसे भी छीनती रहती तो पूरा टाइम. आदि दोनों बच्चों के लिए.
अरे कार
एक आर्यश के लिए और एक कशिश के लिए.
I'm ready to buy the big purchases like the wardrobes and all.
हाँ ये एक्चुअली बहुत क्यूट है IKEA का आइडिया. पेपर वाले टेप्स दे कीप एवरीवेयर. The madness continues. How obsessed are you? By the way, this is what my OOTD looks like. I'm wearing the Ski-On full sleeve top. Obviously, it's my favorite thing that we've created and it's for $4.99 right now. So I'm gonna leave a link in case you want to check it out. Replaced.
Sorry.
आदि इसके लिए नाम दे. ये ज्यादा क्यूट लग रहा है इसको. इसका नाम दे आदित्य.
ये होगा वो कैरेमल है ना, ये होगा रसगुल्ला.
रसगुल्ला. नहीं, she wants a foreign name.
Maddie is in rug heaven.
I love this chicken pox rug.
वाह, चिकन पॉक्स रग बोल दिया भाई.
कितना क्यूट है.
क्या है, क्या मखाने लगे उस पे? क्या मालूम. Rugs are her weakness. Basically हाँ, all of IKEA is her weakness. क्या लूँ और क्या नहीं.
Hey, I like this one.
ये देख, हर दूसरे पे बोलते हैं.
We already have like 25 of these at home. If you've seen the proposal video, you know what we're talking about. Successful one. हो गया. Welcome to another day. Today is actually the D-Day. Today Aditya and his family are moving today and I'm helping in the shifting process. In case you don't know already, Aditya and I are going to be living in the same building. My parents live on a certain floor and then 10 floors above that floor, Aditya is going to be living there. So we're moving today and I'm going to be helping as much as I can in setting up and all of that. Subha se chal rahi hai, abhi sham ho gayi hai. Right now the load is supposed to come here, like it's supposed to reach, all the boxes supposed to reach us here anytime. Aditya is so busy, usko bilkul bhi vlog karne ka time nahi mila. So I am going to be doing it for him. Just got done unpacking a few decorative items to get it out of the way. And yeah, let's just wait for the boxes to come. आज मैंने ठाना है कि मैं आदित्य का room set up करके ही छोड़ूंगी. Like all of his clothes, I'm gonna help him like organize. He's very good at maintaining it. There just needs to be like a rhythm to it. So I'll just like help him keep it. After that, he's really good at maintaining it.
Hi guys, so it's 12 and you're seeing me for the first time in this vlog. क्योंकि पूरा दिन मेरा.
No, they've seen you once, but you haven't vlogged.
हाँ, मतलब I haven't vlogged. बहुत ज़्यादा hectic है ये shifting का. I mean, obviously सबको मालूम रहेगा, but ये finally अभी 12 बजने के टाइम पे भी हमारे 4 boxes I think बाकी हैं.
4 boxes बचे.
Which is good.
पूरा room was filled with boxes.
Yes, मेरे room का I think काफी progress है, but अभी भी kitchen hall उसका बहुत बाकी है. इट्स अ प्रोसेस आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 दिन तो और लगेंगे पूरा सब सेट करने
आराम से.
Yes, but
Oh, I want
meanwhile,
to-
हाँ,
I want to show
मैडम को कुछ
everyone.
तो मिला है interesting.
I think you should only tell them what it is.
So this is Adu and my eraser collection.
Every type of
eraser you'll find in this. मतलब हमें बहुत पहले स्कूल के टाइम से कलेक्ट करते आ रहे थे.
and they've like
Just.
kept it in like the packets also.
हाँ, मतलब यूज नहीं करने
Oh,
के.
wow, stump pump वाला ये भी इरेजर है.
हाँ, नहीं स्टम्प नहीं वो.
But ये
हाँ.
पूरा part.
Yes.
Wow.
Everything in here is an eraser.
Oh, look at the kaju. So cute.
बहुत cool चीज है.
Oh, gun. Nice. So Aditya was saying I want to sell this. I was like, why you want to sell it? Keep na, इतने सालों की मेहनत है. We'll keep.
ठीक है, चलो we'll keep.
Okay, so we're just sorting out the books wala box. Aditya also owns a lot of books, but he also owns a lot of comics. Books का तो मुझे पता है क्या करना है. Comics का भी मुझे पता है क्या करना है. Can I tell you?
क्या?
So I was thinking that you know how there are those magazine holders where it's just like a very thin shelf और उसके ऊपर magazines लगाते हैं. We can put the comics, but I was thinking we can keep it in the bathroom. You know how like people used to read comics and newspapers in the bathroom.
लगा सकते हैं.
It'll be so cute. मतलब I'm also saying not just from decor point of view. It'll make you also read comics finally. And Aditya loves comics, right? So I feel like it'll be so nice to display them and for him to actually read them again. करना ही है.
More than me, I think you should read them.
I don't mind. Yeah, I'm game. करना ही है.
I don't mind.
So this moving vlog has taken a really weird turn, a very unexpected turn. It was just supposed to be like a happy shifting vlog where Aditya moves into his new house and it's going to be like a new beginning for all of us. But we weren't expecting this to happen. So basically, a few days ago, we got a call saying that I need to empty out my studio. I need to let it go. It is also because my lease is over and the landlord wants it back. We were hoping that he would extend the lease or at least extend it till our wedding. But he wants it immediately. So it's fair, the lease is up technically. So we have to move all of our stuff in the midst of Shadi preps and Aditya ka moving and there's another moving that's happening. Literally सब एक साथ आया है and ठीक है मतलब एक ही दिन की it's just going to take us one day to like move all of this furniture. It's not a lot as compared to like a household, but it's just that everything is changing in my life all at once. Like this was like something that was going to remain constant for me is what I thought, but I'm going to have to let this go as well. It is what it is. I guess it's time to have a fresh start altogether. You guys might be wondering what are we doing, where are we moving all of this stuff. So thankfully in the same building Aditya has his house downstairs which is empty. So we can move all of this stuff temporarily because right now I'm just not in the headspace to be going studio hunting, like house hunting, signing a lease. I want to do it aram se at my own pace. So right now we're just temporarily moving all of our stuff into that house. Obviously so grateful कि वो एक ऐसे ही मतलब घर पड़ा है जहाँ पे हम लोग move कर सकते हैं सामान. Definitely a silver lining, big silver lining. So just trying to count my blessings and take life as it comes. And with that, it's a wrap. Painting bhi ho gaya hai, sara kuch. We're giving it back like how we received it. Bye bye. Okay, so it is the next day. We are still a little bit sad because हमने चाबी handover कर दी है. What do you have to say?
Obviously we will feel sad because we had that studio for almost 3 years and it's seen a lot. It has a lot of memories.
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ उस स्टूडियो में फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ था. बहुत कोर मेमोरीज बोलते क्रिएट हो गए थे वहाँ पे.
With each other, with our friends. Yeah. Even my parents, my family had stayed in that house for at one point.
Yes. तो थोड़ा bitter sweet feeling तो है, but obviously it's a part and parcel of life.
We stayed there for 3 years and we weren't we didn't know कि हमें we would have to let it
Yeah,
go. In fact,
इतना
that
जल्दी
area.
at least, हाँ.
So by the way, if you don't know, Aditya का घर जो उसका family home था, where he's been staying since like 15 years,
15 years,
was in the same building. So he's moved to this new house, and then we had to leave that studio also coincidentally, literally around the same area.
Around the same, yeah.
But ठीक है, I'm just trying to look at the positive that amidst all of this craziness, wedding craziness, we were able to pull this off in one day.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, and it is sad, but ठीक है, I guess it's time for a new chapter in our lives.
Yes, to
now
a bigger and better studio.
yes, अब हम करने वाले हैं आदित्य के नए बेडरूम में थोड़ा सा सेटअप, थोड़ा सा करेंगे. मैं मेरा कबर्ड सेट करूंगी, not entirely but a little bit of it. I've carried my suitcase 10 floors up, so let's go do that.
I don't like setting up at all.
Too bad you don't have a choice. So आदित्य ने पूरा उसका कबर्ड अभी सेट किया.
और रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हुआ.
नहीं वो अब मैं क्या करूँ.
तूने कुछ तो जाना.
बट ठीक है,
मुझे लगवाने के लिए कुछ तो स्कैम दे कि ये वीडियो में डालना है, इसके लिए लगा ले, और मैं रिकॉर्ड करूँ. ऐसा स्कैम में बोला, मैं लगा भी दिया और वीडियो भी नहीं है.
I guess it's fine because now Aditya can help me unpack my bag. सिर्फ एक ही बैग लाई हूँ मैं, जिसमें मेरे सारे Indian clothes है, which I know I don't need right now. Obviously, I can't bring all of my other clothes because शादी को time है, so I'll do all of that later. So yeah, let's unpack all of this. Oh, I've gotten jewelry also. Nice. By the way, I want you guys to see how Aditya has hijacked my cupboard. He's dumped all of his stuff in here. I'll have to remove everything. That is going to be more time consuming than keeping everything. Please open the cupboard. Open. What do you have to say about निकालो, तू ही निकालेगा अभी सब सामान.
जब तक नहीं आई है तू, तब तक तो मेरा.
ठीक है, एटलीस्ट एक दो सेक्शन तो करके दे. So with that, we are going to end today's video. थोड़ा सा तो नहीं, काफी स्नीक पीक मिल गया आदित्य के रूम का. बट
more than what I wanted to show.
मैंने काफी सारे वीडियो शूट किए that you guys are gonna see soon in this very room because the lighting here is bomb. But that's basically it. There are a lot of vlogs coming your way. I know we've been missing in action for like a month.
But I think we have more than made up for it with the amount of content that we have shot in those.
Correct, which you will see in the future. अभी आपको नहीं कुछ भी देखने मिला है, but
आ रहा है, सब आ रहा है.
बहुत कुछ आ रहा है. हम we've been shooting since the last 6 months. All of that content you will go live soon, very soon. But yeah, that's it for today's video. We'll
follow
see you
us on our Instagram. Follow Mridul on our Instagram. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to Mridul's channel, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.